scales are intact. Movement is minimal.
Locking sequence complete. Transport initiated.
As you can see by the heat map, the green indicates perfect symmetry. We only have minor deviations near the tail.
The high-intensity LEDs confirm the raw material is pristine, ensuring the finished display hides are absolutely flawless.
The transfer unit moves into the sealed stabilization chamber, where controlled atmospheric conditions are introduced to gently prepare the raw material.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Stable at 40 psi. Process B is a go.
Process A utilizes a specialized ceramic robotic blade to meticulously trim the diamond python meat, ensuring exceptional uniformity and quality.
The diamond python meat segments are fed into the industrial grinder, ensuring uniform consistency for our blended products.
Hundreds of vacuum-sealed diamond python meat packages move rapidly toward the cryonic tunnel. The sheer volume
Check the consistency here near the center. Looks good. No damage or degradation. We can approve this for tanning.
Over a multi-day cycle, the drums rotate slowly. This precise environment, closely
hung on massive automated racks, these 3-meter diamond python hides undergo a controlled drying process, stabilizing the leather and minimizing shrinkage.
This critical step ensures the Diamond Pro Display hides will lay perfectly flat. The automated system...
Specialized natural conditioning oils are sprayed and gently massaged into the surface of the 3-meter tanned diamond python.
Keep it steady, watching the clearance.
Clear on this side, boss.
Locking clamps engaged.
Okay, the DP10 has arrived.
Confirmed, project manager. The dolly is positioned.
All right, team, let's initiate the careful offload sequence.
All right, lift slowly now. Steady, steady. It's heavier than it looks.
Yep.
Bring it towards the table.
Final adjustment complete. The DP10 is fully secured.
Flawless installation.
The smooth texture and intricate diamond pattern are remarkable. The color depth here truly confirms the luxury quality of the DP10.
The Diamond Pro Display hides feature an advanced environmental resistance coating. As demonstrated here, the
DP10 utilizes authentic diamond python, treated with our specialized vegetable tanning process for this
The unique preservation of the diamond python's head scales demonstrates meticulous care. Showcasing the ease of maintenance, the specialized coating resists environmental degradation, ensuring the diamond pattern remains pristine over time.
This integration sets a new standard. It's about defining elite aesthetics while reinforcing our professional commitment to innovation.
The provenance is confirmed. The integrity of the pattern secures this piece's premium market position.
A macro setting reveals the perfect alignment and intact structure of the individual scales. The preserved texture
concerns. The DP10 integrates seamlessly. The diamond pattern is flawless.
It is. The installation team did an excellent job.
The provenance is verified. The integrity of this pattern confirms its premium market position and luxury context.
The subtle texture and perfect scale alignment of the DP10 hides are evident under high magnification. This perspective emphasizes the product's effectiveness as a visual terminus and focal point, demonstrating the impact.
The installation is complete.
The integration is seamless, truly high quality.
It looks incredible. We are very impressed.
The specialized vegetable tanning process is key to this definition and rarity.
It's quite stunning in person.
Focusing on the intricate scales patterns near the head, demonstrating the meticulous care of Process B.
Achieved through strict industrial controls, the DP10 allows for seamless integration.
With the DP10 installed, this concludes the project rollout. The aesthetic perfectly reinforces the high-value branding we discussed.